electricity. Oh. Okay. I think I don't know. Just the film. There's some strong wind right here. Oh my god. That trash can was right over there and it flew over here. Look at this. My body is shaking because it's cold. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh. It's so cold. Oh. I'm shaking. Wow! Holy cow! I got that on camera! I got that, holy shit! Oh my god! Wow! I'm staying outside here. I'm watching it. Something just exploded. The light just turned off. Oh! Shit just got real, guys. Oh, whoa, the wind. As you can see, the line, it just snapped. And that tree over there, it's broken. I think you can see it. Look at the rain. Oh yeah, and the wind isn't that strong anymore.
Make my own satellite dish.
So I'm cooking some food, and tonight I guess we're gonna sleep there in the other living room place. It's right there. You can see it. It's a nice room, but only that place has electricity for now. And I'm cooking some soup to eat with rice right there. Sleepy time. Good morning. It is currently 7 a.m. and I think now there's electricity. It's just, yep, it's back on. Thankfully it's back on. We have some electricity already, and it seems like the weather has been a lot better today. Thanks for viewing my vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. And we're gonna practice. Here we go. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but I hope it's fun.